my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review. Hi Snugs. I'm going to be doing a review on the Makeup Revolution HD Pro brows. I've never used a brow palette before, so I'm always using pencils and stuff. So I'm actually looking forward to using this. I just haven't basically got around to use it, and I thought, why don't we do a little review on it. So this is the palette you get. So I have used it in the past, but I just want to do a review on it because I didn't really look at it and see what it offered. So this is, you get like 2 waxes here, you get 4 powders, and then you get something, I think it's like a little highlight bit to carve out your brows, and then you get a highlighter and another highlighter, I think. Oh no, this is a cream. So this is another cream to carve out your brows. Okay, so my brows are very bare. I actually have to proper draw on my brows at the moment because my brows are not how I want them to be. They did them wrong at the brow bar. First of all, I'm just going to take one of my Beauty Collagen gummies. I got this in a PR package and I flipping love these. They're so good. Like, you know when you get them things like vitamin jellies that sometimes taste revolting? And these are really good. They boost your hair, and they make your hair grow quicker, your nails. Got vitamin C, biotin, selenium, and they literally taste like them Bassets that you get, you know, them vitamin Bassets, whatever they're called, because I love them, like the kiddie ones. They taste so good. Anyway, I'm gonna crack on and do this. So it doesn't bring a mirror, so I'm gonna have to use my mirror. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with a brow brush. This is just a normal brow brush that I got with a brow pomade at one point. So I think first of all I'm probably going to go in with this colour, which is the one that I've used before, because that is my kind of colour. And I'm gonna show you guys how this goes. So let's see, make sure you can see. God, my dog's barking again. She always wants to bark when I'm filming. So I'm just like drawing a line underneath, and then doing my little arch. See, I like my brows to come out that way, but they plucked them. They threaded them, so I've got brow coming down here. So we need to fix that. So I'm trying to fix it. So I'm just going to do it like that because I don't want my brows to come all the way down here. I like them to go outwards rather than down. See what I'm saying? Okay, the formula is really good. It's definitely the right colour for me, 1,000,000%. Okay, so I'm just doing like the underneath. I'm going to take a little bit more, and what I'll do is I'll do one brow so it doesn't take so much time, obviously just for time purposes. I'll do one brow and then I'll go off camera and do the other one. I can't believe it's going to be Vlogmas soon. I don't know if I'm going to be doing a Vlogmas as such. I'm probably just going to be uploading a bit more often. To be honest, I upload every other day, so it's quite a lot as it is. But I know you guys want vlogs. I've just been really into testing new makeup and just trying new things out at the moment. So I'm going to go in with this. I think I'm going to go in with this powder here, this one, because it's like a darker one. Yeah, let's go with that one. And I'm gonna kind of just set it with powder now. I like this palette. I feel like you get everything that you need, which helps, you know? So yeah, I feel like you get everything you need. Now I'm gonna try and do like my little gradient effect that I do here. So I think I'm gonna have to kind of swatch these first to just make sure what colour I need here. I'm gonna go in with this light colour here, and I'm gonna try and do a little bit of a gradient effect. So just with like little strokes, I'm just gonna start putting that into this bit, because I don't like this bit to be too dark. I like this to be quite ombre, like gradient, and then go into dark. But I'm happy with that. But then what I like to do to just kind of bring it down even more is just with the other end of the brush, the spoolie, I just kind of brush up just to take that excess product away. And then I'm just gonna comb just like that. And what I'm gonna do, just because I've got my shape that I want, I'm actually gonna pluck with you guys. I'm gonna take them extras away because they're bugging me. Oh, now I've got my brow and I've kind of set it in place with some powder. I'm going to go with this colour here. So this is, I'm going to try and carve my brow out with this. I'm guessing this is what this bit is for. So I'm going to grab this like concealer-y sort of colour, and I'm going to try and carve out my brow with this. This is different. I'm so used to using different kind of products for my brows. Okay, that's very white. Okay, now I've got to try and blend that in, bearing in mind I've got eye makeup on. This could be fun. I'm probably just going to highlight anyway. Okay, so just to get the white away because it's looking too white, I'm just going to use my beauty blender and just kind of take it away. Okay. Yeah, I think that would work. I just think that the best thing to do is not have quite a full eye makeup look, because when you've got an eye makeup look it can kind of mess it up a little bit. But we're okay, we're okay. I can always like go over and blend and stuff, so it's all good. I think now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take, I don't know what this is. I'm gonna take this really pretty like whitey glitter. Is this the highlighter? I think this is highlight. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna go over what I've just done. Oh, wow. And I was asking, is this the highlighter? Oh my goodness. That is pigmented. Oh, guys. You could literally, I'm going to use that in my inner corners just to show you how pigmented that is. Can you see? Oh my goodness. Look how pigmented that is. I've just put it in my inner corner and it's on my brow. That is crazy. I'm going to do my Cupid's bow with that. I always use like a powder highlight, so that has completely blown me away. I'm impressed. So anyway, I'm gonna go off camera and I'm gonna do my other brow and I'll be back. So here we go, this is the finished look. I definitely can get the brow I want with this palette. I think, like I said, the brow formula, the product, the powder is great. I really love how I can get my gradient effect also. I really love this palette, and I'm not just saying that. The only thing I found weird was kind of working out the difference between this one and this one. But now, this is your highlighter for brows. Like, I cannot believe how amazing that looks on my brows. Like, you can see how pigmented it is. It's crazy, and it looks really good. So, I'll give you a bit of a close-up. So I really love how it's made my brows look. I definitely absolutely love this palette. I definitely think this palette is 100% worth it. I really like it. Really like it. I had to obviously go in and blend my eyeshadow a bit, just because the highlighter went onto my eyeshadow, because I didn't realise how strong, like how pigmented it was. But yeah, I really love this palette. I definitely recommend this, guys. I really do. I'm going to put the price up again on here. I'm going to put the price right there. It's got the perfect shades for everybody. This one's really good for kind of getting your gradient effect. I didn't use this pinkish highlighter colour. I'm not quite sure where we're supposed to put that, really. Maybe a brow highlight, I don't know, but that one's enough for me. So there we go, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe and like and comment, because I love receiving comments of you guys. It literally makes my day. And I'm going to be doing a lot more reviews on Makeup Revolution. I've got tons of palettes coming. I'm super excited. I've got the macaroon, I've got the lemon drizzle coming, I've got the Imagination palette. I know they're quite, like, I'm maybe a bit late doing this, but I really want to get my chance to do it. I really want to share with you guys what I like, what eye makeups I can do and stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!